Father's Day is around the corner. Looking to impress Dad with a mouth-watering grill feast without breaking the bank? Stay tuned as we unveil the top 9 Amazon fresh grill picks that are sure to make this Father's Day unforgettable. Forget those overpriced restaurant meals or, God forbid, another pair of socks. This year we're taking it to the backyard, to the flames, and we're going to cook up a storm that he'll be talking about for weeks. So grab a notepad, pay attention, because I'm about to walk you through 9 brilliant selections that are going to elevate your Father's Day barbecue from May to absolutely bloody stunning. Let's get this done properly. Right, first up we've got these Amazon Fresh Raw Medium Shrimp. These little beauties are responsibly sourced and phosphate-free, so you're getting pure, natural shrimp flavor. They come peeled and deveined. That's half your prep work done right there. No excuses for rubbery shrimp, alright? These are primed for greatness. Phosphate-free is crucial because phosphates can make shrimp absorb excess water, diluting their natural sweetness. With these, you're getting the real deal. Firm, sweet, and ready to soak up whatever delicious marinade you throw at them. Think about garlic, lemon, herbs. Simple, beautiful flavors. Shrimp cook bloody fast. We're talking minutes, not hours. Get your grill nice and hot, medium-high heat. A light brush of olive oil, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, or your chosen marinade, and onto the heat they go. 2 to 3 minutes per side, that's it. Don't wander off. Overcooked shrimp are a culinary crime. Imagine serving these up gorgeous, plump, grilled shrimp skewers, maybe with a squeeze of fresh lime and some chopped cilantro. Done. Alright, next on the grill is this magnificent beef loin T-bone steak USDA choice. A T-bone is a statement. It's 2 fantastic steaks in one. The rich strip loin and the tender fillet. USDA choice means you're getting good quality marbling, which translates to flavor and juiciness. This isn't just a steak, it's an event. When you're selecting a T-bone, look for that beautiful marbling. Preparation should be simple. Let the steak come to room temperature, pat it dry, and season generously with coarse sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Get your grill screaming hot. You want to hear that sizzle. For a beautiful medium rare, you're looking at about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Slice it against the grain, or let Dad carve it himself. Serve it with some simple grilled asparagus, maybe some roasted garlic potatoes. This T-bone isn't just food, it's a celebration. A proper, hearty, delicious steak. That's how you do Father's Day. Cheers, Dad. You're a legend. Done. Now, let's talk sausages. We're starting with these Johnsonville hot Italian sausage links. If your dad likes a bit of a kick, these are an absolute must, packed with classic spices, fennel, paprika, and a generous hit of chili. Perfect for throwing on the grill and getting that beautiful char and smoky essence. What I appreciate about a good Italian sausage is the balance of meat, fat, and seasoning. These links have that lovely coarse texture you want. Grilling sausages properly is an art, not a race. Start them off on a medium heat, turning them frequently. You're looking for an internal temperature of 160 to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're cooked through, move them to a hotter part of the grill for a minute or two to get that perfect snap and char on the skin. Imagine these beauties nestled in a crusty roll with some sautéed onions and peppers, or slice them up and toss them into a pasta dish for a quick and flavorful meal later in the week. These hot Italian sausages are a fantastic way to add some oomph to your Father's Day spread. They're bold, they're delicious, and they're guaranteed to be a hit. Done. Moving on to another belter from Johnsonville, the Beer and Bratwurst Sausage Links. Beer and brats. It's a match made in heaven, especially for Father's Day. These sausages are infused with real beer flavor, adding a subtle malty depth. The beer not only adds flavor, but helps to keep the sausage moist during cooking. Johnsonville has done the work of infusing that flavor right into the sausage meat. These are proper, plump bratwursts, with a good meat-to-fat ratio. When it comes to grilling these beer and brats, medium heat is your friend. A common technique is to simmer the brats in some beer with onions for about 15 to 20 minutes before they hit the grill. Serve these up in a proper brat bun with plenty of sauerkraut and a good grainy mustard, or slice them up and serve them alongside some potato salad and coleslaw. These beer and bratwursts are a fantastic choice for Father's Day. Hearty, flavorful, and evoke that wonderful celebratory barbecue atmosphere, a true taste of grilling tradition. Done. Next up, for those who appreciate classic Italian flavors without the fiery kick, we have the Amazon Fresh Mild Italian Sausage Links. These sausages are packed with beautiful aromatic Italian spices. Think fennel, garlic, parsley, but without the chili heat. They're a fantastic option if you're catering to a crowd with varying spice tolerances. A truly versatile sausage. What you're looking for in a good mild Italian sausage is a well-balanced flavor, a good texture, and quality ingredients. Grilling these mild Italian sausages follows the same principles: gentle, even heat. You want to render the fat slowly, crisp up the casings beautifully, and cook the inside perfectly without drying them out. Think about grilling some sweet bell peppers and onions alongside them. These mild Italian sausages are brilliant in a bun, perhaps with a touch of marinara sauce and some melted provolone cheese. They're also fantastic crumbled into pasta sauces used as a pizza topping, or served alongside creamy polenta. For Father's Day, they offer a comforting, familiar flavor that's guaranteed to please. Proof that mild can still be mighty impressive when it's done right. A solid, dependable, and tasty choice for the grill. Done. Let's talk about a true grilling staple, the Amazon Fresh Bratwurst Sausage Links. This is your traditional, no-nonsense, absolutely classic bratwurst. They offer that quintessential, savory, slightly sweet, and subtly spiced bratwurst flavor. For many dads, a perfectly grilled bratwurst is the epitome of barbecue happiness. These Amazon Fresh Bratwursts are all about that traditional taste. You expect a certain flavor profile from a brat, notes of nutmeg, ginger, perhaps a touch of mace or caraway. When grilling these traditional bratwursts, the key is not to rush them. Medium heat, frequent turning, and cooking them through to that safe internal temperature. Some people like to poach their brats in water or beer before grilling. The serving options for a classic bratwurst are endless, but you can't go wrong with a good quality bun, some tangy sauerkraut, and a generous squiggle of spicy brown mustard. These are also fantastic served with German potato salad or some soft pretzels on the side. For Father's Day, these Amazon Fresh Bratwursts are a comforting, crowd-pleasing classic. A truly dependable grilling champion. Done. Now hold on, before all you carnivores start grumbling, we need to cater to everyone. And that includes dads who are plant-based or looking to reduce their meat intake. Our 7th pick is the Gardein plant-based ground beef crumbles. They're vegan, gluten-free, and incredibly versatile. What's brilliant about these Gardein crumbles is their texture and ability to take on flavors. You can season them just like you would regular ground meat. For Father's Day, this means you can whip up some amazing plant-based tacos, hearty chili, or even a delicious pasta sauce. Now, you're not going to throw these crumbles directly onto the grill grates. Instead, think about using a grill-safe pan or skillet. Sauté them with some onions, garlic, your favorite spices. The key is to treat them as a component that brings that savory, meaty element to plant-based dishes. Imagine serving up a vibrant taco bar for Father's Day. With these seasoned Gardein crumbles as the star plant-based filling, it ensures that everyone feels included and well-fed. These Gardein plant-based ground beef crumbles are a brilliant modern solution for a diverse Father's Day menu. Done. Alright, let's talk chicken. We've got the La Herencia registered trademark chili lime cilantro chicken breast. This is pre-marinated, which can be a massive time saver. The flavor combination chili lime cilantro is an absolute classic. It's zesty, it's fresh, it's got a little bit of a kick, and it screams summer grilling. The beauty of a good marinade is that it not only infuses the chicken with incredible flavor, but also helps to tenderize the meat. When grilling marinated chicken breast, you want a medium-high heat. Make sure your grates are clean and well-oiled to prevent sticking. You're looking for beautiful grill marks and an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it rest for a few minutes after grilling. Think about serving this zesty chicken sliced over a fresh salad, or alongside some grilled corn on the cob and a black bean salsa. It would also be fantastic in fajitas or tacos. For Father's Day, it's a lighter yet incredibly flavorful option. Quick to cook, packed with flavor, and guaranteed to be a winner. Done. And finally, for our 9th pick, we're going a bit gourmet. Fresh New Zealand lamb rib chops. Lamb chops, especially rib chops, are incredibly tender, packed with flavor, and they cook beautifully quickly on the grill. New Zealand lamb is renowned worldwide for its quality grass-fed, lean, and with a delicate, clean taste. If you really want to impress Dad, these are an absolutely stunning choice. A simple marinade or even just a good seasoning of salt, pepper, garlic, and rosemary is often all it takes. When grilling lamb chops, you want a good hot grill to get a nice sear on the outside while keeping the inside pink and juicy. We're talking medium rare to medium for lamb. Because they're relatively thin, they'll only need a few minutes per side. Let them rest for a few minutes before serving. Serve these beautiful lamb rib chops with some roasted Mediterranean vegetables, a dollop of mint sauce or a vibrant chimichurri. They make a truly impressive centerpiece. For Father's Day, they say you're worth it, Dad. Tender, flavorful, and undeniably elegant. Done. Right, that's a wrap. Happy Father's Day, you legends. So there you have it. 9 absolutely brilliant Amazon Fresh Grill picks that are guaranteed to make this Father's Day a roaring success. Remember, the key is quality ingredients, a bit of know-how on the grill, and cooking with a bit of passion. Thanks for watching. Wishing all the amazing dads out there a happy Father's Day filled with love, laughter, and great food. Cheers.